So having these dates, we can get the sales value, so which is the sales amount. So you can see we have the sales amount. So the sales amount we will put in the value column. So I will click this, drag it in the value column. So you can see it will pick the sales value of each date. Now we have been told to get the trend analysis or the trend. So for us to get the trend, we can choose the charts, which you'll use the chart which it has the trend. So let's try which chart can we use, or we can use the spark line. Are we able to get the spark lines here? Let's try to see if we can choose the spark lines. We go to the pivot table analysis, and then to go to the pivot chart, the pivot charts. Let's use the sparks. Where is the sparks? We go up. Which one can we use now? Bar chart, no. Stocks. Trend. Yeah, let's use the compo. The compo, it has a trend. This one is the best. I think we can't also use this one. And then click OK. It's not picking. Let's select that. Go to pivot chart. And let's use the compo. Select this one, need at least 2 series. So we have selected the 2 series. Or let's use the line chart. This one, that one, that one, this one, the trend analysis, the line chart. Yeah, I think that one will be okay because it needs a trend analysis. It's something that you need to show up and down, up and down. So this will be your trend, and that you can just say, name this and write it, say sales. So that's how to use the pivot table. That's how to use the pivot table. And go to another one. Analyze the proportion of a discount given relative to sales and any unusual trend using the pivot table or chart. So we need to get the unusual, analyze the portion of the discount given. So you have to see the discount, the portion of the discount given using that trend analysis. So which you'll have to open a new one because you cannot be able to analyze on the same page, or you can copy this. Let's try to copy this and paste it here and try to change our value here. The discount, now we need to see discount. We can't analyze with the name. We can't use the name of the name of the person and then the discount value. So if you want to analyze the trend of discount, we will use the name, drag the name down here, and then remove the date. For us to remove the date, you long press that date and move it inside here. So you will remove that date. So let's try it, or you can remove it here. Long press here and move it here. The moment it is written X, which means you are removing the date. So we don't need the date. So these are the only customers which we have. And also on the other side here, we don't need the amount, but instead we need the discount amount. So the discount given, track the discount given, put it here and remove the amount. So this is the discount. So we have been told to use the chart to present the trend. We can choose the same trend. We will select this data, go to pivot, recommended chart. Let's put this one there, or let's use the line chart so that you can't have the same charts. Yes, so you can see the discount, it was increasing. Discount equal in an increase. So you can say here, discount given. You can also bold this. You can bold this. You can also want to remove these grid lines. If you don't want the grid lines, you can't move the grid lines. and it will have a good presentation. Also, you can put the values here and then put the data labels, so that we can't remove that and you will be able to see. These ones you can't customize it in the same format. Yeah, that way. Any questions so far? Uko na swali? Ama usingizi imekuja? So I think we can stop there, so that our next class. So we are using now the formula to apply this analysis. So our next class, we will now prepare the income statement by using these formulas also. So I think we can stop there unless there's a question. But make sure I will share the questions, so that you can also do the practice. You start from the scratch from that question. You try to do what I've done to see whether you are getting it. Because the best way to master this Excel is to practice it. The best way is to practice it. Okay, good. So if there is no question, then we meet on the next class.